job.
Thank you. Pretty tight little fit in through
It
there.
is,
Sure.
it does, yeah.
Let's get set up.
Okay.
As Lynn and I look back on this trip here to Tallulah Gorge State Park, it didn't turn out the way we planned.
Not at all.
I guess the reason why the morning we were leaving home to head out on this loop of Georgia state parks, I hurt my back. And we pulled into this park and I got us backed in.
Yeah, he wouldn't let me drive. He's very, very worried about he's going to get car sick. But I told him if he got car sick, at least it'd take his mind off his bag. But he still wouldn't let me drive.
We're laughing now because it's several days later.
Yeah.
But we wanted to break in here and just let you know that things didn't turn out like we planned for this first leg of this journey.
So in this video, you're going to be seeing a lot more of me doing most of the stuff. Everything.
I couldn't do anything.
So, but he did teach me a lot, and it actually is a good learning experience to be able to know how to do things if your partner, you know, is not able to do it. So that's what a lot of this video is going to be about, is me doing things and Owen sitting there watching me do things.
With my back hurting.
With his back hurting.
And to beat all, Tallulah Gorge, the reason you come here, it's one of the hiking capitals of the Southeast, definitely in Georgia. Lots and lots and lots of trails. I tried to limp through a few of those, as you'll see, but you know what? It hurts when you're hiking up and down hills, and she has been a trooper. It's been a great trip, and we made the most of it, and we're glad you're along with us, and we'll take you back to that morning where we woke up. So when one person is hurt, the other person has to do things that they don't normally do. So I'm going to go down this morning and actually check in. Take the trail. And another sign down there. So it's very, very well marked, which is a good thing for me because Owen's usually the one that is better at directions than I am. So one of the things that we want to do here, or we wanted to do, is the rim trails. And you know, it's kind of hard to leave Owen and go do something fun. So I guess I'm going to have to decide if I want to go on a hike without him. But right now I'm just going to go try to get us checked in and check out the interpretive center. Checked in, and we got $23 back because we're old. That's awesome though. I do miss Owen being here though. It's totally different when you're doing stuff by yourself than when you're getting to enjoy it with somebody else. Hi ho, hi ho. Back to the campground we go. Let's check and see how Owen's doing. Where are you? He's not in here. Crapola. Where's Daddy? Maggie had to put her donut back on her head. Let's turn on the light. Ah, oh, there she is. Because she keeps chewing on her tail. Alright, I bet maybe Owen went to the restroom. I don't know. Maybe he's walking better.
Hey, baby.
Kind of scared me when I came in and you weren't here.
Think about that. I thought maybe you'd be going a lot longer. I needed to use the bathroom and I had to go over there and use the handicap stall because it gives you a little bit of leverage to push up and get up off. I was afraid that I would end up still sitting on the toilet when you got back.
Oh, yeah, that would not be good.
Help me get everything done. So you guys all checked in?
I got us checked in. She gave us $23 back, or $24 back, I think.
Why is that?
Because we're old.
She may give me all of it back because she knew I was hurting so bad.
Yeah. It's not very nice out. I think we're going to get the solo stove out and start a fire. So since Owen can't help me, I'm going to attempt to do it. Let's see how this goes. See, it's like I get them off and
We can close the
awning.
awning. It'll rake them all to the end. You can open it back up and we can get the broom and get it on.
Good morning.
Good morning. Third day of my back being hurt, and I have a back brace on, but I am actually walking the interpretive trail right now. Feels good to be out and enjoying this place instead of just looking at it from the campsite.
Show me your back brace.
So today we're going to make a little Walmart run, which is about 18 miles away from Tallulah Gorge State Park where we are right now. Lynn is doing everything, and I can tell you it's a learning curve for her, and I feel bad because I haven't done really well in the past in training her to do this if she needed to, but she's a trooper. Show off, girl.
Turn left.
Grocery shopping done. Waiting in line for 10 minutes to check ourselves out. I wanted to go back to the employee break room and get a drink or something. All I gotta say is that in Clayton, Georgia, this would be a really good spot for a super Walmart.
I'm gonna let you drive back to the campground since you're able to hike.
Yeah, I'll let you do that. Okay, Lynn made me sit down. I think I've done enough today.
Is your ICB cream soda? Look at that pretty table.
Happy dance. Well, that smells good too.
I think those fire starters are better than what we had last night.
I think so too.
Owen's guiding me through this because I don't know what I'm doing. And then let it go. It's not on there. Okay.
That's it. Pull it back and just pull on the hose and
Okay.
make sure it's
I think it's good. Yeah. Okay.
So then now come over here.
In here?
Open that. Take the yellow plug off.
Okay. Wow. Didn't know there's all this stuff.
Push that ring in just like you had to push the other one in. So,
I'm pushing it as hard as I can.
okay, don't break it. That's not good. There's something in there.
What is it?
Looks like a rock. Let me see if I can get that out.
What were they on him?
Oh, it must have had a rock in it. Yeah, now. That's what it's supposed to look like.
Okay.
There's nothing in there. All right, let's repeat
try
this.
it again.
Push the ring towards the van. There you go. Okay. Push that all the way in, and then let go of the pull. Yeah, pull it towards you.
Okay.
And it'll open it.
Okay.
And you have gas going to the stove.
Which way is that on?
That's on. Push down and turn it, then light it with that.
Okay.
I think
It's
you
lit.
get it, dear.
Yep.
Let there be chili.
So the second ingredient then we'll put in this chili is a little bit of garlic. Add it to the onions. I'm going to let this cook up. There you go. Maybe a little bit more.
That's the way she measures.
That's the way I measure. Tastes good. I might add a little bit more.
I think he doesn't understand the concept of fetch. Big sheep. Behind you, sweetheart. Behind you.
Where is it, Maggie?
Where'd it go?
Where is it?
Look behind you. Hey, baby. You having fun?
I think chili's ready. What do you like on your chili?
Why don't you show everyone how you prepare yours?
Okay. Well, I prepare mine differently than you prepare yours. And that's way too much chili for me, so I thought that was yours. So I'll show them. I'll do 2 scoops of chili for mine.
Okay. It's always good to, to make chili and then it be steaming because it's cooler outside.
Yeah, I know it. So I like cheese.
Fiesta blend cheese.
And then we like Fritos on our chili.
Adds a little crunch.
It does add a little crunch. You like sour cream on yours, so I'm going to let you fix yours.
I like mine a little simpler. Not very much cheese.
Why do you say you like yours simpler? You got more stuff on it than I do.
Oh, look at that. And I made an A. Well, it kind of now
That's not an A.
turned into something else. I don't know what that is. All right.
All right. Let's see what you think. Good?
Everything takes a little bit. Yeah, Mom, it's my walk. I didn't say I wanted to go play on a swing set. like an old man. My back just couldn't handle going all that elevation, all those steps, and all that walking this morning. So we're going to choose to, you know, play it safe. Lynn's going to do this though by herself, and I'm really proud of her for doing that. Maggie and I will be semi-lost, but we'll be anxiously waiting on her to get back.
Good morning. We're going to start out on the loop trail here at the Tallulah State Park. We're going to start out on the south side and go back around to the north. Owen's still not feeling great this morning, so I left him home editing a video. And stay with me as I show you this beautiful trail.
Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold when the autumn leaves are playing chase. It puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September.
Hey, I think she's back. Hey, did you go the entire way?
I think, well, I didn't do what we did yesterday
Okay.
on the north round.
Awesome,
You got the
honey.
heat on in here.
Yeah, why are you hot?
Oh man, we're hot. I have to take my jacket off. Got pretty warm out there. Got pretty warm hiking them steps.
I bet so. A bunch of steps.
Yep. So we're going to say goodbye to the Tallulah Gorge State Park.
Call that a wrap.
We'll call that a wrap and head to our next place in Georgia.
Hope my back's better.
Me too. I'm tired.
Dancing through the last days of September.